mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, January 5, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating titulan natin series which is about seminary edition. Specifically ngayon yung ating ating titulo is about ang millennial isang kailan darating si Kristo. At ang ating talata po ay mula sa Revelation chapter 20. So napakahaba po nito. Bibigyan na po natin ito ng kung ano ang nasa loob ng talatang ito. So, the 1,000 years in verses 1 to 6 po, it is about where Satan is bound and thrown into a bottomless pit for 1,000 years. So, during which Jesus reigns on earth, the faithful believers who remain true to God are resurrected and reign with Him. So, ngayon po upang mas ating matutunan ang ating devotion para sa araw na ito, ngayon po tayo po ay dadako sa ating mga teachings for today. Una po, basahin ko po, sabi po dito, Jesus will come back again. So, this teaching affirms the promise of Jesus' second coming, wherein He will return to bring ultimate justice, to fulfill His promise, to fulfill His plans, and reign as King. Christians are called to live in expectations of this event. So, ikalawa po, the kingdom of God is a present reality. So, kingdom of God po, it isn't just something to look forward in the future, but it is already here. It is a present wherever God's rule and authority are acknowledged and lived out in the lives of believers. Ikatlo po, the kingdom of God is not a literal 1,000 years. So, itong teaching na po na ito, in-emphasize niya na that the kingdom is spiritual and eternal, not confined to a specific time frame like 1,000 years. So, nalarepresent ng God's ongoing reign over His creation and His people. So, ngayon po, para may-apply po natin ang itong pagpapalila ko sa ating application upang may-apply natin ang ito natin para sa araw dito. Una po, prepare your family for the coming of Jesus Christ. Ikaw, ilig ng family spiritual, teaching them about Christ and helping them live in readiness. So, encourage them by faith, pananampalataya, and also through prayer and godly anticipation of His second coming. Ikalawa po, disciple your children now or regret later. So, prioritize mo to guide your children in faith while they're young. So, teach them the ways of Christ so they grow with a strong foundation in Him rather than lost to the distractions of the world. Kasi napakadami ng distractions sa ating mundo. And last but not least, share the gospel with your friends with urgency and priority. Alam ko napaka-example ng oras natin. And yung second coming po ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo is certain. So, be proactive and intentional in spreading the message of salvation to your friends, emphasizing the importance of turning to Christ before it's too late. Marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.